Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the 646D master lock combination lock. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to open the packaging and get a closer look at the lock and show you how to set the combination. Okay, so let's take a look at the lock. Okay, so the lock is set to its default combination. As you can see, there are 3 zeros. So to change the combination, pull out the shackle. Now, as you can see, there is an indentation here. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that this notch over here goes into the indentation, and then when it's lined up, you have to push it in firmly and then turn it counterclockwise after it enters this notch here. Okay? So push it in firmly and then turn counterclockwise. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is set the desired combination that you want. Now push the shackle in, turn it clockwise, pull it out, push it in, change the combination to something else. And as you can see, it's locked. Now if you want to open it, use your combination. And that's how you set the combination. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.